Imagine building a flying city, piece by piece, across an entire continent. The Airbus A380 isn't just an airplane. It's one of the most complex machines ever created by humans. Made from millions of parts and engineered by thousands of experts, this giant aircraft comes together through an incredible international effort. Today, we're going step by step to see how the Airbus A380 is built from scratch, from design and manufacturing all the way to its first flight. Unlike smaller aircraft built in one factory, the A380 is manufactured in sections across Europe. In France, the nose and cockpit are built, the brain of the aircraft where pilots control this massive machine. In Germany, engineers construct the middle fuselage, including passenger cabin structures and internal frames. The United Kingdom builds the wings, one of the most difficult parts to manufacture, made from advanced carbon fiber reinforced materials and stretching nearly 80 meters across. And in Spain, the tail section and horizontal stabilizer are produced, forming the aircraft's rear structure. Once completed, these enormous components begin an extraordinary journey. Transport ships, barges, and giant road convoys carefully move each section to Airbus's final assembly plant. Here, the real transformation begins. Massive fuselage sections are aligned using precision fixtures. The wings are attached, followed by the tail section and landing gear. Slowly, what were once separate parts start becoming the world's largest passenger aircraft. The A380 uses cutting-edge materials to balance strength and weight. Lightweight aluminum alloys, carbon fiber composites, glare composite laminates, and titanium in high-stress areas. Building such a giant requires extreme precision. Robotic drilling, automated riveting, and advanced machining ensure perfect alignment, while composite parts are cured inside massive autoclaves, giant high-pressure ovens that strengthen the aircraft structure. Next comes one of the most exciting stages, engine installation. The A380 is powered by enormous turbofan engines, including those built by Rolls-Royce. Each engine produces incredible thrust, strong enough to lift hundreds of tons into the sky. Carefully mounted beneath the wings, these engines transform the aircraft from a structure into a living machine ready to fly. With the fuselage complete, wings attached, engines installed, and landing gear fitted, the aircraft moves to painting and final finishing. Engineers perform countless system checks, inspections, and ground tests to ensure everything works perfectly. And then comes the moment everyone waits for. After years of design, engineering, and assembly, the Airbus A380 rolls onto the runway for the very first time, proving that one of humanity's most ambitious engineering projects is finally ready to take to the skies. After completing its ground tests, the Airbus A380 moves into the next important stage of its journey. With all systems cleared, the massive aircraft slowly rolls onto the taxiway, heading toward one of Airbus' giant paint facilities. Seeing the A380 in motion at this stage is truly breathtaking. The world's largest passenger aircraft carefully enters a huge paint hangar, specially designed to handle an aircraft of this incredible size. Inside, advanced equipment, specialized tools, and skilled technicians are ready for one of the most demanding painting processes in aviation. Painting an A380 is no ordinary task. The aircraft's total surface area measures between 3,100 and 3,600 square meters, nearly half the size of a football field. To cover this enormous structure, Airbus uses close to 1 ton of paint, with around 800 to 900 kilograms applied to each aircraft. But every gram matters. Engineers carefully control paint thickness because extra weight increases fuel consumption. Precision is essential to maintain both efficiency and performance. Before painting begins, technicians carefully wrap and mask different sections of the aircraft. This allows Airbus to create fully customized airline designs. In this case, the aircraft is being painted for Qatar Airways, meaning it will receive the airline's iconic logo and signature purple and gray color scheme. Because the A380 is too large for standard paint shops, Airbus uses massive climate-controlled hangars in Hamburg and Toulouse, built specifically for super jumbo aircraft. The painting process happens in several stages. First comes surface cleaning and sanding preparation, followed by primer coating, multiple paint layers, airline livery application, drying, and detailed inspections. Inside the hangar, temperature is maintained between 20 and 25 degrees Celsius, along with carefully controlled humidity levels. These conditions prevent bubbles, cracks, and uneven coatings, ensuring a flawless finish. In total, the aircraft receives up to 6 layers of paint, including anti-corrosion treatment, primer, base coating, color layers, airline logos and decals, and a final clear protective layer. One of the most challenging areas to paint is the enormous vertical tail. Because of its size, engineers use laser-guided systems and digital projection technology to position the airline logo with perfect accuracy. Aircraft paint is not just about appearance. It also improves aerodynamics. A smooth surface reduces microscopic drag, helping the aircraft achieve better fuel efficiency during flight. Most airlines choose white as the primary base color because it reflects sunlight and helps manage external temperatures more effectively. Throughout the process, painters wear protective suits and masks to safely handle specialized chemical coatings. Once painting is complete, workers carefully remove all protective coverings and temporary markings. Slowly, the aircraft reveals its final look. The elegant Qatar Airways livery transforms the A380 into a stunning flying masterpiece. Finally, the freshly painted aircraft rolls out of the hangar, shining under daylight. It is then parked for drying and final completion checks before moving on to the next stage of delivery. From bare structure to fully painted super jumbo, the transformation is incredible, and watching the A380 come to life in its airline colors is truly an amazing sight. After completing the painting process, the aircraft moves into the next major phase, the interior fitting section. This is where the aircraft finally begins to look like a real passenger airliner. Inside this enormous facility, engineers start installing customized interiors based entirely on the airline's requirements. Depending on the configuration, the aircraft can carry between 500 and 850 passengers, making it one of the largest passenger aircraft ever built. At this stage, every detail is carefully planned and tested. Engineers analyze aerodynamics and structural performance using advanced simulations and wind tunnel studies to ensure maximum efficiency and safety. The aircraft's iconic double-deck design becomes fully visible here. The upper and main decks are dedicated to passengers, while the lower deck is designed for cargo operations. Stress load simulations are also conducted to make sure every installed component can withstand real flight conditions. Next, interior panels and window sections are installed. Technicians carefully fit cabin walls, ceiling panels, and structural elements that shape the passenger environment. Overhead bins, side panels, electrical wiring, and complex piping systems are assembled with extreme precision. Airbus specialists thoroughly inspect every connection before installation, ensuring all systems meet strict aviation safety standards. Then comes one of the most exciting stages, seat installation. Seats arrive customized in the airline's signature colors and branding. The cabin is divided into 4 classes: economy, premium economy, business class, and first class, each designed according to the airline's service style. Every seating position is pre-calculated and securely fixed onto the aircraft flooring. Business class features advanced seating arrangements that convert into comfortable semi-lie-flat beds for long-haul travel. In the first-class cabin, luxury reaches its peak. Fully 180-degree lie-flat seats, personalized entertainment systems, and premium materials provide passengers with maximum comfort and privacy. Lighting systems, LED ambience, airline logos, and customized interior designs are then installed, giving the aircraft its elegant and distinctive look. Every detail reflects the airline's identity and passenger experience vision. Once all components are assembled, the aircraft undergoes extensive inspections and system simulations to verify that everything operates perfectly before delivery. Finally, the aircraft is completed in the signature style of Qatar Airways A380, fully prepared to enter service and begin carrying passengers across the globe. After completing all interior installations, the aircraft moves into its next crucial stage: customer inspection and final testing. Airline representatives carefully review every cabin detail, ensuring the aircraft meets their exact customization requirements. Once approved, the A380 enters the fourth phase, flight testing, where engineers push the aircraft through a series of performance and safety checks before delivery. Made from more than 4 million individual parts, the Airbus A380 is one of the most complex machines ever created. Built through global collaboration, components manufactured in multiple countries come together to form this extraordinary passenger aircraft. Today, airlines around the world operate the A380, offering travelers a truly unique flying experience. Often called a flying hotel, this jumbo jet is designed to carry a massive number of passengers while delivering exceptional comfort. The A380 is the largest commercial passenger airplane ever built. Depending on configuration, it can carry between 550 and 853 passengers, while most airlines operate it with around 500 passengers. Its full-length double-deck design means both the upper and lower decks extend across the entire aircraft, something no other commercial jet offers. Despite its enormous size, the A380 is surprisingly quiet during takeoff, thanks to advanced engine technology and aerodynamic design. The aircraft also uses fly-by-wire technology, where pilots control the plane through electronic systems instead of mechanical cables, improving safety and efficiency. As a long-range giant, the A380 can travel up to 15,000 kilometers non-stop, connecting major cities like Dubai, Los Angeles, Singapore, and New York with ease. Although production officially ended in 2021, the A380 remains one of the most loved aircraft among passengers worldwide. Its spacious cabin, smooth ride, and unmatched comfort continue to make every journey special. Have you ever flown on the Airbus A380? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with fellow aviation enthusiasts. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.